Hey guys, how are you doing? It's me again from my channel. Welcome back to another video where today I just changed my channel name. It's now Mozen Plus Minecraft PE because of fans suggested. And I just hit 1k views. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's truly amazing, guys. That's very nice of you. I love you guys. Actually, I have no words what can I say. Thank you guys, and shout out to some channels, MSG Hacker, and the guy that make me this profile pic. And what? Wait a minute. That guy asked me to give him a shout out. So their channel should be in the description. Go subscribe to them. They're awesome. I love them. So I'll see you next video. Good.